Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just want to throw this in the video. I'm currently editing the video right now as we speak. I just want to throw this in there as a small disclaimer. We was at the gun range. We was having fun. Me and my friends, Steve and Dylan, we was having fun, having a great time. Everybody made it home safely. I just want to say we definitely had fun, but I just want to throw a disclaimer in there for people that have their opinion on things, how we was handling stuff and doing things at the gun range. But I just want to throw the disclaimer here because people have their opinion, entitled to their opinion on things. But we definitely have fun. Knew my boys for years. Always have fun. Definitely had a great time. That's probably like our third time going. We're going to be going more. Everything was fine. Nobody was really there in our area. In our area we were shooting at, so we definitely had fun. It was an outdoor range, so definitely was nobody too close to each other and everything. So just want a small disclaimer, we was having fun at the time. And just stay tuned to the content and enjoy. I just wanted to make content for you guys, as I always try to. Haven't been on YouTube for a minute, but I'm currently trying to make my way back. So enjoy the content. Have a good one, you guys. And stay safe out there. Wash your hands. All the through the pandemic and everything. Just be careful. A lot of stuff is going on in this world right now, but just be careful. Have fun. Enjoy your time, and have a great one.
I used all of them? Oh shit, I didn't know I used all of them. It's like that.
Let me hear that one.
It's like that.
Oh, that makes me wetter than Sandy.
Man, you can see that shit red hot.
You gotta.
Oh, I didn't go down.
We go.
You could load them drones too, right?
Yeah.
In the machine.
You gotta buy all the tools and shit for that though.
Like you gotta get the powder, all this shit.
Oh, even if there's a bullet in there,
Just
it won't shoot because the mag's out.
Oh, fancy.
Safety clip.
Very impressive.
Now it's a safety on there.
Yeah, right.
How much these cost?
It was 2 for $1.
He's got it sideways. Kill shot. Kill shot.
Right here, pickle.
So that 40 is nice, bro.
30 more.
That 40 is hot. He said, "Bah." Bah.
Bang, bang.
Oh yeah, what movie was that from?
I don't know. A haunted house, maybe?
Maybe.
Howdy. You ain't got no connection up there.
Go ahead, dude. I wanna watch it.
There's a little guy, you got the tip.
Just
Wham it. Here goes nothing, old partner.
oh partner.
This is for you, Arthur. God damn. Oh, I was so ready for that last one, too. That's not bad.
Yeah, now cock it.
So guys, I'm gonna give you a little startup for Becky. This the headers, it's only headers, Cadillac converter, and part open mid right here because the exhaust had fell off when I went to work. So I'll give you a little footage right here of the startup. I'll give it a little rev too. Sound like she got cams, but she don't. Well, do overhead cams, but I don't think that's really internal to anything like built. But it's fast to me, a little bit fast because she's a daily. All new tires in around all around. Let me get the Rikens, the Raptor Rikens, 225, 40s, 18s. So give you a little sound, a little something. She good though. Only got 152. Strong, no check engine light, no nothing. I keep her real high maintenance, so. I need to change the serpentine belt too. That's why I heard that. It goes away though. But there's no check engine light, no nothing, bro. It's my baby. What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you for watching. Thank you for giving feedback. If you want to give feedback, just put it down in the comments down below. Turn on post notifications. Press the like button and just enjoy the content. I'm trying to come back. Found a nice little spot in a little area to come chill. You know, I'm driving Becky right now, as y'all see. I don't know if you see, but I got Becky out, y'all. Shout out Baxter. Becky. Boom. That's my Instagram. That's Becky for you though. YouTube channel, definitely subscribe. Turn on post notifications. But we out here. Becky. Thank you guys for just watching the video. I know I haven't been posting on YouTube in a minute. I know, you know, everyday life stuff, you know, we go through. YouTube is not my full-time job, so I don't really try to post as much, but I'm trying to work my way and get there. I'm trying to post more on YouTube, but as of right now, you know, the pandemic, everything is going on. I wanted to do a little content for you guys. I drove up to Redding with me and my boy Steve and Dylan. Went to the range, we shot a little bit, got some practice in. That was my third time going. No, yeah, I think that was my third time going. Yeah, it was the third time going. And I just wanted to give you some content on it. That was a little bit of footage I shot. Shout out to Steve, man, for giving us that work in. It was good, stress reliever, we had fun. Other than that, I'm here with Becky. Dude still got the Mustang. It's in the garage right now. I'm gonna bring it out really soon. I got the clutch for it. I just gotta put it in, and that's it. But I got the tint done to Becky too. You won't even believe how much that cost. It was so much. And I'm finna get some new equipment too, y'all. I do want to get some new equipment. I do want to paint these wheels. I want to do it's a lot, man. YouTube is a way to express yourself, express your feelings, have dope interactions with people over the world. I appreciate everything. That the highest views I got was on the Audi. Shout out to Obi. And that's it, y'all. I wanted to do stuff, man. I'm a car enthusiast. I love working on cars. I love doing a lot. I love doing a lot to my cars, man. This is just my daily, so I did slam it. It's on GX Technic coilovers, and that jump was like $4.95. It wasn't bad. German coilovers. That's the only ones I can find instead of Max Peeding rods. But as you see, I changed the valve cover. Well, Steve changed the valve cover. He wanted to help me, but we did the headers. We got the EGR drum back on right there, and that's practically it. And I want to put this right here, the overflow tank down there. I'm gonna find a way to put it in the box, in the fairing right there. I'm gonna try to put that down there so I can make this intake a little over here in the cooler side, away from the headers. But this is the daily, man. She got 152 on her. I just recently changed the oil. I got new coil packs and all that stuff in the back and spark plugs. I always try to keep my car in the right way. I mean, she need an alignment. I'm gonna keep saying that. I always say that, but I never get the alignment. But she's really nice though, man. I love this car. Mazda Protege 5. She's real nice, man. I give it to you. She's been through my ins and outs, my everything. Nice little BRZ right there, round pass. But Becky, as always, did me justice. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you made it to the end of the video, give it a like. Share the video if you want to share it. Comment down below. Turn on post notifications. I appreciate all you guys if you're watching it. I appreciate everybody that's watching it and giving their feedback. If you don't want to give feedback, that's fine. Just watch it. Put the likes on. Subscribe to my channel. More to come. I'm gonna end up probably making a nice little gaming channel once I get further on in YouTube. I might make a gaming channel. But this mostly channels are gonna be my cars, daily vlogs, or I might make another channel. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to drop another video soon. And thanks for just watching my videos and my content. I appreciate it, and have a great one.